How to create Bigo Live account. Launch Bigo Live app on your device. You will reach on this official interface or the page of Bigo Live account. Now tap on login button at bottom right corner of the screen. Here are the different ways to sign up to the Bigo Live applications account. You can sign up with your phone number, Facebook, Google, Twitter, WeContact, and Apple ID. For now, let's tap on sign in with phone bottom and then you can enter all your credentials regarding the account. First, make sure to enter your country and region and the phone number. After that, you will receive the verification code. If this way does not help for you, then you can easily do it with other ways as well. And then you have to enter the password once you enter and verify your phone number. And once you have entered your password, you will successfully create account on Bigo Live. Now you can easily use the application and interact with other people on Bigo Live. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.